Hey, Andy invests here. Today the price of Bitcoin has surpassed the 42,000 barrier. When bulls show strength against bears. Bitcoin, after contracts worth $1.5 billion expired last Friday, shows that bulls have beaten bears and that the upward trend in Bitcoin price is confirming. Will the price of Bitcoin go back to $60,000? Let's do a review on CoinMarketCap.com and see an uptrend for Bitcoin and other altcoins. Here we see a strong upward trend in the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Polkadot and Uniswap. Analyzing the price of Bitcoin in the last 24 hours, we see here that it hit $42,235. Bitcoin price is now around $41,500, holding the position. Ethereum advanced to $2,477 and is now around $2,460. Let's now look at the Fear and Greed Index. At this moment, the multifactorial crypto market sentiment analysis indicates the value of 60, being greed. It's a very good moment. Previously, this value was at neutral, showing that we are moving towards a feeling of optimism in the cryptocurrency market. Another indicator that highlights the upward trend in the market. In Coin 360 we see the following configuration, with a dominance of 49.59% in the Bitcoin market and 4.4% in Ethereum. Let's go to the news. Cointelegraph. Price analysis July 30th. Traders expect altcoins to move higher now that Bitcoin price finally pierced the $41,000 resistance. Bitcoin and most major altcoins seem to be faltering near their respective overhead resistance levels. This suggests that some investors are continuing to sell at higher levels. However, 21st Paradigm co-founder Dylan Leckler said that on-chain data shows big transfer volumes from over-the-counter desks over the last week. Cointelegraph also recently highlighted a historic 57,000 Bitcoin outflow from exchanges on July 28. Let's go now to Coindesk news. Kentucky orders BlockFi to stop signing up new interest accounts. The Kentucky Department of Financial Institutions has become the fifth state regulator to claim that BlockFi's interest service violates state securities laws. Kentucky's Division of Securities ordered the crypto lender to stop opening new accounts in the Bluegrass State. Kentucky joins New Jersey, Alabama, Vermont and Texas in alleging that BlockFi interest accounts violate state securities laws. Moody's lowers El Salvador rating, maintains negative outlook partly due to Bitcoin law. The rating agency said that the law and other policy decisions had weakened governance and increased tensions with other countries. Moody's downgraded El Salvador's rating and continued its negative view on the country's economy partly because of the government's passage of a law that will make Bitcoin legal tender in the country, the rating agency announced Friday. Brazilian central bank projects significant migration to digital payments. According to Director João Manuel Pinho de Mello, central bank digital currencies can expand financial inclusion and reduce the cost and time of cross-border transactions. A significant migration from paper currency to digital means of payment will take place in the next few years, according to João Manuel Pinho de Mello, the director of the Central Bank of Brazil. During a panel discussion Thursday on the potential of the digital real organized by Central Bank of Brazil, Mello stated that the move to digital payments will involve the use of central bank digital currencies, Valor Econômico, a Brazilian financial newspaper, reported. What do you think? Is Bitcoin on its way to $60,000 or will it drop again? Subscribe to our channel for more news like this and give a thumbs up.